everyone, and welcome to the Jingly Jangly Jungle. I wonder where Raa is. Oh!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raa loves a big surprise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raa loves a big surprise.
You certainly gave me a surprise, Raa.
I've got a big surprise for my friends too. Look! I put a tooty horn under my chair. So if anyone sits on it, it goes...
Very funny, Raa.
I just need to wait for a friend to walk past now.
Still waiting, Raa.
Yes. I know! I'll go and find them.
Have fun, Raa.
Hey! Woohoo! Yippee! Woo!
Raa, you made me jump. Raa, you gave us a surprise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raa loves a big surprise. I'm giving everyone surprises today. Ooh, I'm making a funny noise.
Raa, you've got hiccups.
Hiccups?
Not hiccups. Hiccups.
Hiccups. They make my tummy do jumpy jiggles. Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Can hiccups make you jump really high on the trampolines? Can they?
Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Oh no! These hiccupy hiccups are no good for jumping on the trampoline.
Maybe they can help you swing really high.
Oh no! I can't jump. I can't swing. And I can't play surprise with my friends. I don't want hiccups anymore.
Oh, poor Raa. How can we make his hiccups go away? Have you got a book about hiccups, Topsy? Let me see. The Little Book of Big Problems. I wonder if there's anything in here. Here we are. Hiccups. A surprise sometimes makes hiccups go away.
A surprise?
Yes, if we give you a surprise, your hiccups might go away. You go for a quiet walk, Raa, and we'll creep up and give you a surprise.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Raa. Surprise you soon.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to get a big surprise.
Boo?
Oh, hello, Zebby. Are you going to surprise me?
I just did. Have your hiccups gone?
Maybe. Oh, no.
Oh, sorry, Raa.
That's okay. Thanks for trying, Zebby.
Maybe Topsy's better at surprises. Ooh! Boo! Raa? Where is he? Raa! Oof!
Hello, Topsy. Are you going to surprise me?
I just tried to. Have your hiccups gone?
Oh, no.
Ow, ow, ow!
Hi, Oo. Were you surprising me then?
Yes! Did it work?
Oh, no! I don't think my hiccups will ever go away. Oh.
Sounds like you've got hiccups, Raa.
Yes, and I don't want them anymore.
What you need is a surprise to make them go away.
Tried that, but it didn't work.
Oh, dear.
Surprise! Raa, did your hiccups go away? Oh!
Thanks for trying, though.
What was that?
I forgot. I put a tootie horn under the chair to surprise you all.
What a big surprise! Raa, I think your hiccups have gone.
You're right. They have gone.
Hooray!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raa had the big surprise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raa had the big surprise.
Well done, Raa. Oh, was that you, Raa?
It was me! Now I need a big surprise.
You always get a surprise in the jingly jangly jungle. Bye. See you soon.